So I'm here on my break, trying to do damage control and not cry. Because I haven't gotten the damn roof fixed yet. So, child. Wait till you see this mess, man. Just, struggles of a homeowner, child. Okay, so, okay. Okay, so you see, so this is melted snow, okay? Now I bought tarps, so it looks like this because I had started doing some more of the demo work. So it got on here. So I'm going to put a tarp right here. I need to move some of this stuff. All of this has fucking water all over it. Let me put some gloves on it. I'm just so, oh my God, okay. It's my fault. I should have just paid the money in the summer. But I didn't have the job that I have now in the summer. So life was a little bit more of a struggle than it is now. So I'm kind of having to deal with those consequences. On top of that, I have 30 minutes to fix this problem. And we're supposed to be getting like 4 to 6 inches of snow. And look at the ceiling. I'm just, give me grace. Okay. Mind you, I'm on my break. So I have like 30 minutes before I have to go to my next client. But if I don't do this now, when the snow comes tonight, I'm gonna wish that I had. So, Lord. Try not to get too dirty. Everything is freaking close. And then I haven't even been upstairs yet, so the biggest problem is upstairs. I haven't even been up there. And if you see my crack, I'm sorry. Okay, so this stuff, I don't think it got too wet. I should have did this the other day, but I wasn't. No! Sometimes I hate the fact that I manifest. Bitch! Okay. I just thought about it and it happened. It's just so frustrating to me. One of the bags that has cement in it, or the sheetrock in it, just ripped. And I don't have time to clean it up. And it ripped on the bag that I was just trying to move. This one is ripping too, so I'm gonna slide this one. My leggings shrunk in the washer. So I just gotta move this right now. Because this is pretty dry right here. So, okay. Now. Okay. I'm trying not to cry, child. So, I hired and paid for a deposit, right? Hired and paid for a deposit for someone to come and patch up my roof, right? It snows on the day they come, or they're supposed to come. Literally 4 inches, that is, actually it was more like 6. Well, I'd say it was 6. 6 inches that literally is melting right now. And then it's gonna freeze again because we're supposed to get another 4 to 6 inches tonight for the next 3 fucking days. Maybe I should do this. We'll do this longer. See my crack, I'm sorry. My leggings shrunk in the dryer. I'm kind of trying to fold it up so that it doesn't like. Okay. My neighbor's dogs. So that way, so it's pretty much all of the edges are upward so that it can kind of cool the water. Now, let's go upstairs. Let's see how much time I have. So now, we're gonna go upstairs and see, my back hurts already, see what damage we got going on upstairs. Okay, I gotta get this ladder somehow. Oh, boots are so dirty. Luckily there's some, I do have some wipes here so I can wipe off my boots. Okay. Let's go to the room where all of the problem is. All right. I feel like this is a lot. Okay. Now the ceiling is coming. Ceiling's coming down. Okay. So I ripped this wall, not wall, I ripped this ceiling down. I gotta get all of that up. So, you see all of the water, all of the damage. You see the sunlight from the big ass hole. I'm gonna show you the hole. So I have a plan of how I wanna do this, but I don't know if I can record it because I have to show like me up there. And I really need to buy a tripod. And I have like 20 minutes. So let's get to it. Look at all that fucking water. Absolutely ridiculous. Oh God. Okay. We can do this. We can do this. We're gonna do it. So I have the tarp here. Sorry, I have my mask on. I'm like trying to get this together before I have to go back to work. Okay. So, let's see. Here. Try not to die. Okay. Ew. Okay. I should have took this one down. Okay. I need to move this ladder over. So I move the ladder right in front, or right in the middle of a beam.
God, the things you do when you're rushing. This is so unsafe. And my tarp is unfucking raveling. Okay. See what happens when you live a life alone. So this is the attic. I'm trying to put a tarp on top of that. I called for help, but there was nobody available. Look how big this fucking hole is. Okay. Okay, it's gonna be okay. Okay, yeah, so I gotta get that fixed. Okay, so I'm gonna put this tarp up here to cover this shit so that it doesn't completely rot through my floors. All right. So this is, I'm up top. I don't know if you can see the ladder, but and I don't know if you're gonna be able to really get a good view. You hear the birds chirping, but at least you get a little bit of a view, and I'm not trying to move as much so I don't fall and die. Okay,
so I have to go back to work, so I'm going to I gotta come back tonight. I was trying my best not to do this in the dark because I didn't get off work until 6. Somebody was like, oh, I need some more hours, why not? So I'm wiping my shoes off. I don't know. This gotta be washed. I don't get off work until 6. That's when the sun goes down. I hate being here at night because it's fucking creepy. But I do have those bright lights that I can use, and maybe I'll have some help tonight when I get off work. We shall see. I'm disappointed. Stay tuned.
so this is my good friend Sean.
Hey.
He is helping a sister out because there's a storm brewing, and it's supposed to do 4 inches, 6 this morning. He is also going to be helping with the repair of my roof when the snow is melted. And I'm very much appreciative because you know what?
It's this beam right here.
Please
This
don't.
is the only one.
Just don't go on that one.
I
Okay.
have to. Pull the tarp back.
What you mean?
Like, pull it down some.
Like this?
Yeah, pull it over. And like roll it.
That's what I'm doing. My little hand. Don't go on that beam. Just step over it. That's the one that you use to pull yourself up too.
Ain't that a bitch?
It is. I was looking at it. Just don't step on it. You're stepping on it.
I have to get leverage.
You just don't. You just don't have to step on that one though. Couldn't you just like step over it and like move to that? Okay. Just be quiet. love the sound of improvement at 8 o'clock at night after a long days of work. Oh, that was just some sheetrock. Okay, this one is a little weak too.
Not like the other one.
Okay.
I can feel the
You feel the difference?
yeah.
See how big this freaking hole is? All the way over there. You good?
Yep.
Okay.
Just repositioning.
See, I couldn't have done this.
Shit, I could lay down up here.
I could not have done this.
In fact, I got to.
Like, I literally couldn't have. Because I was like, I could do this shit. All you gotta do is just lay the tarp out. I'm over here trying to get the tarp to flatten.
Fuck this.
Like, hey, what you doing in that?
Just like an angel off the page, you have appeared in my life. Feels like I've never been the same. Just like a song in my heart, just like oil on my hands. Oh, I do love you. Still I wonder why it is I don't argue like this with anyone but you. We do it all the time, blowing out my mind. You got this. You make me feel.
Check. What's this? What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Look at her, Jay. It's like halfway home. Oh, sorry.